Start with a magic circle. And chain 4. One single crochet in the same circle. Now repeat this until you have 5 loops. Chain 4. One single crochet in the circle. Five loops. Now once you're done, pull up this loop to close the gap. Next round, slip stitch into this chain space, and while making the slip stitch, change to the other color. And you can weave off this yarn. Chain 4. One treble crochet cluster. Yarn over twice and pull up a loop. Pull through the first 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Now repeat it 2 more times. Yarn over twice, pull up a loop, first 2 loops, second 2 loops, one more time. Four loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's one treble crochet cluster made. Chain 4 and one slip stitch in the same chain space. That's one petal made. Now repeat this for the rest of the petals. Slip stitch into the chain space. Chain 4. One treble crochet cluster. Yarn over twice. Pull up a loop. First 2 loops, second 2 loops, but do not finish this stitch. Do this 2 more times. Four loops, pull through all the loops and chain 1, chain 4. Slip stitch into the same chain space. Once you reach the end, slip stitch into the first petal and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.